Alright, today we're going to try to repair this damage to the lower. What I did was I cleaned it out a little bit. I put a little hole there to take off some of the stress. We're going to try to get this straight up with a heat gun in a second, but this is the kit I'm going to use right now. It's this little thing from Amazon. It came with some hot staples and this little plastic staple welder, and we're going to give that a shot, okay? But first, let's get it heated up. I got my heat gun up. I want to get it up to about 200 degrees just so that I can massage these pieces out and reshape that. We don't want to get it too hot, so I'm just going to put it on a lower temperature and see what we get here. Looks like this part right here has been stretched. Okay, so maybe what I'll do is I'll staple this part in first right here, and then we'll try to squeeze this part back in. So we'll line this part up first, and I'll get some staples in the back. Okay. What I'm planning on using, since it's mainly flat, I'm going to try using these things, these little curvy doohickeys. Okay. So that's what I'm planning on doing, and let's start with one and see how it goes. Alright, I'm going to take it, put it inside, and let me put the first one in before I show you how it's going, okay? I don't know how long it's going to take to heat up, but we're going to try to do that. There we go. Both sides connected, and then we're going to push it in. Okay, I guess that's it. That's not that good though. There we go. Alright, so what we're going to try to do is we're going to try over here, and we're going to try to get this part first. Okay, so I'm going to line that up as best I can, and then we're going to do that. Okay, and let me get the one done and then we'll get you on. Okay, you can see the one that I placed there. I'm going to put another one using the same kind. I dropped some on the floor, but just load the gun with a single staple. Okay. And hold the piece together as tightly as you can. Pull the trigger and let it heat up. And as it goes in, just push it a little bit and then let go. I'm going to let it sit here for probably 10 or whatever count to let it cool, because that seems to be the problem, is letting it cool. And let's see. And then once it cools, about a 15 count, then you can pull it out, and there it is. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this all the way across here, then I'll snip these off. But if you look on the other side, it is coming together pretty well. Let's see. I've started with this side, and you can tell it's close. I'll pull that part out just a little bit like that, and I'll put a staple in, and then we'll try to melt this and get it back into shape. So let me continue. Alright, so I installed the hot staples, and that's what I got on that side. And if you come out to the outside, this is what it looks like, and it's pretty together. It's all holding. We're going to use the heat gun a little bit to actually mold this just a little bit more and try to get it back, but I figure, hey, that's not such a bad repair, right? And the hot gun was, it does have an issue getting into tight places, but the gun was about 25 bucks, and really came with some staples. I ordered some extra ones just so I would have extra, and I think I can live with that. It's a lot better than having you know some, you know, string holding it all together. So I think that would be okay. All right. Well, that's it for us today. Take care and have a great day. And thank you for subscribing and watching another video. Take care now.